this video, we are going to see how we can import or insert the images into Google Docs. So all you have to do is just click on the Insert tab, and here you get the options of images where you can upload it directly from your computer, search it on the web. You can select it from the drive, you can choose it from the photos, you can use camera, and so on. So let's see a sample of how you can upload it from the computer. Click on this first option, and you want to go to any particular area where you have those images. We click on this and click open. It will insert the image right away, but it will be a large image file depending on the original file you have. What you can do is you can just hold it from the corners and you can resize that image however you want. You can also wrap it in the text so that the text will be shown next to that image, and we have all of these customization options, whatever you like. Something else what you can do is, let me just hit enter. You want to click on insert, click on the images. We can search it from the web. So what this will do is this will use Google Images directly. And let's say we write here mobile phone, hit enter, and you will get a couple of options that you can use to insert in the image document. Click on insert and it will be inserted here right away. And after it is done, you can resize it again according to your specifications. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.